This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making coconut milk chicken stew. For this dish, you will need some spices. I have here half a teaspoon of whole black peppercorns, 4 cardamom, 5 cloves, 4 slices of ginger, 1 to 2 red or green chilies, and about 15 to 20 curry leaves. You will also need a medium onion cut into quarters, 2 potatoes peeled and cut into quarters or halves, depending on how big they are. I usually use chicken thighs and drumsticks for this dish. But today, I happen to have half a large chicken that has been cut up into pieces. This is about 600 grams. Feel free to use any part of the chicken you like, but I would use chicken with bones, as this will give the stew better flavour. In a pan over low to medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of oil. There is no need to wait for the oil to get hot. Add in the spices. That's the black peppercorns, cardamom, and cloves, the ginger, and the red chilies if you like it spicy. If not, you can leave the chilies out. Add in the curry leaves. Fry this for about 5 to 10 seconds. Then put in the chicken. Fry the chicken till most of it turns white. Now, add in the onions, potatoes, and 200 ml of coconut cream. Try to use coconut cream instead of coconut milk, as the coconut cream has a lot more flavour. But if you only can find coconut milk, then just use coconut milk instead. It works just as well. Add in enough water to almost cover the chicken. Bring this to a boil and turn it down to a simmer. Let it simmer for 20 minutes. As the potatoes take the longest to cook, the dish is done when the potatoes are done. The potatoes are cooked when a fork can easily go through it. When done, turn off the heat. Sprinkle some coriander on top and stir it in. Then season with 1 teaspoon of salt. Taste and add more salt if needed. This is coconut milk chicken stew.